decided to go pick up the boys. Besides the dirt in my car, there's still very much like ash from the fires. We are praying and hoping that everyone is okay that has been affected by the fires. Like, it's really bad. The weather quality here is really bad to the point practice is canceled today. I have had this dull headache, but it's like an annoying...
I'm offline, so I can't do that.
I've had this very dull headache that has been just like lingering behind my eyes, and I'm gonna put on my seatbelt. We've been trying to get back on schedule, so we haven't been eating late. Drake looks over to me last night and he was like, Mom, when we get up in the morning, can you please take me to McDonald's to get some breakfast? So this morning, Daddy took us to breakfast this morning. Also, yesterday, me and Millie started secret shopping. I'm gonna go into detail about that later. I'll probably do a video or something on our secret shopping, but we started yesterday, and then today we're gonna stop off and do some more secret shopping.
For that money.
And I'll update you guys in a little bit. Okay, we wanna document this because I just got this notice. I'm gonna put it on the screen right here. And I don't know about evacuating my house. It says to prepare. Doesn't it say prepare? Next, my husband to see what he's gonna say, but I don't know. And then practice was canceled.
I know.
Boys, youth and senior girls, practice was canceled. On a brighter note, we got a meat slicer. So I'm gonna show you guys this one. Also, I got a water filter. Eliminates 99.99% of contaminations. I'm gonna show you guys this very soon. We're being very careful with the puppies. They are loving their Christmas rug. We moved in their water. You okay? You guys ready to evacuate? You want to evacuate? No, I don't. Blaze went upstairs and brought all the things that he's gonna take with us to evacuate. And then we got a cancel warning. I don't see no socks, nothing. No.
We don't need socks. Right, so it says A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. I don't know how to read. I bet that's the best song.
Oh no, not it. Okay, ready?
You do it.
Organized. Okay.
Yeah, no, that was definitely a threat.
This Friday morning, we do continue our coverage of the wildfires that are burning across Southern California. Wow. Stu.
How did it miss all these houses up here? Like, it just... How did that... Oh my goodness, it skipped that house. Or did it?
This is the first time we've actually been able to get up here to the shoreline along, and that destruction just kind of continues as we're trailing behind Skyfox right there, and it just goes and go across the street. 2 of them or 3 of them are good of just destruction after destruction, and some of Skyfox in the shot. And it just goes and goes and goes. The fire department, they're out here. There's plenty of hot spots as we were just kind of looking around out here and flying the coastline.
Here's the skies. Skies in LA this morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Maui. Today's shower day. It's shower day for Maui and Keke. They love this rug. It's so dirty. Good morning. I washed my hair last night and I just let it air dry. I'm gonna straighten it. Today we're gonna do laundry. Tonight for dinner, I'm not sure what I'm making. Yesterday I had a headache. Did I tell you guys that yesterday was a no? I'm going to be very mindful drinking my water today. Yes, I'm in the same sweater because this sweater is very comfortable to me.
Here are the enchiladas.
So good.
That's what the boys and Mom had for dinner. I just warmed up the potatoes. Soup from 2 nights ago. Things we never got over. I finished the first two books in the Chestnut Spring series. So good. I love the Chestnut Spring series. Elsie Silver is a great author. Lucy Score, I haven't read any books by her, but I heard she's similar to like Tessa Bailey and Cut that out.
12 seconds later.
Okay, now I remember why we do not go to the help yourself wash your own car wash, because it is $2 for 3 minutes. I drive a Chevy Tahoe and I spent probably $10 for this wash, and I had to dry it. We're gonna move the clothes from the washer to the dryer, and then Millie we gotta drop off Daddy's dry cleaning, and then Millie wants to find a Goodwill. So guess what came in? An order came in. 'Tis the season for... I'm just gonna show you guys the pieces. I'm not really gonna talk about them because I wanna save that. The hoodie, I'm gonna have to cut it open. Okay, this was like a little surprise, and it's just a sweater.
What is up, vlog? It's Odomungu checking in. Now, we are in my kitchen on a mission. ¿Qué tal te caiga ahora? Entonces, este es mi cuarto de dormitorio. And esta es la cocina. Let's go through this. ¿Dónde puede poner este teléfono? Aquí. Alright. My mom wants a video. Let's get this over with. Alright. First things first. We got this. Love this board game. It's the best. And I will be playing with my comps tonight. Next, I got these glasses. Pretty cool. Luego, I got this beanie. I've been telling Millie to pass me the beanie. It's been pretty cool. She got me for me. We got some more bracelets. Yo! These bracelets I actually had, but they died out. That's pretty sick. And she got me pimple poppers. Thank you, Malika. Next, my favorite item. We got the photo book. I'm gonna put this on my study desk. Pretty cool, if you ask me. Look at that. Dang. Yeah, like, we got all of these pictures. Look at this. It is pretty cool. All these memories. Dang. Look at that. Okay, next. We got some letters which I'll read later on tonight. Finally, I got this. What is this? What's that? Oh, that's sick. It's our names. But yeah, thank you, family, for the package. And I also got this bracelet, which is really cool. And finally, I got this. Pretty cool. But today was a good day on the mission. I would show my comp, but he's in his G's. And yeah, I love you guys all. Te amo mucho. Y hasta luego. Feliz Año Nuevo. Oh yeah. Mira. ¿Cómo le? ¿Dónde está? Oh yeah. Hey. Yo.
Video of me and her doing this.
Hey. Puedo tirar eso. La nieve. Sí. Oh, mira. Oh yeah. En su cara. Oh, aquí. Mira eso, hermanito. Oh, oh, hey, 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 Mika. and he hunts in the wild. Ah! Oh my God, mi cara. ¿Dónde está la nieve? Necesito más nieve. Mira. Vaya. ¿Qué tal? Oh. ¿Qué tal me caiga ahora? Oh, my face!
Whoa, get your face, get your face.